You have seen snakes. What does the snake say? Sss. What does the snake say? Sss. When you go near the snake will say, Sss. Don't come near me. The letter S. The letter S looks like the snake. It's very easy to remember and very easy to write. The letter S. Look like the snake. You don't stop it. You begin and you go right round and stop. It look like the snake. The sound is S. The small letter is little smaller than that. So S is very easy. Okay. The sound of letter S. Remember the snake. S. Now put your hand out. You have the snake with you. Keep it. Listen. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. Sss, sss. Snake is in the grass. Take it again. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. Sss, sss. The snake is in the grass. What is the sound of letter S? Remember the picture. Remember the little snake. What does the snake say? Sss, sss. Teeth together. Sss. The sound must come out. Okay? So the letter S. What is, when you say letter S, what do you think of? Sun. Very good. Snake. Then snail. Snack. Yes, you have snack. Socks. Very good. Then sugar. Yes, sugar. Soft. Spoon. Very good. Remember the snake. Letter S. S. You have sun, snake, snail, snack, socks, sugar, soft, spoon. Remember letter S.